सदीन म्हाका फ्रेंड आनी तेणे ते आपले कितें आहा तें सांबाळून करचे उरला पळय ते थोडे say what it was his contribution for the last 2 years. As a minister, town and country planning, deputy CM misused that position.
But
He's talking about misusing legacy of Parrikar. I am telling you, he has misused that position of it.
he's trying to put a narrative that now he's going to take Parrikar's legacy forward, which has been destroyed by this government.
I'll tell you something. Nobody can destroy Parrikar's legacy. Parrikar was by himself. Whatever he has done, people have seen. They are no longer even closer to it. Even I am saying that I am trying to work. I will also say that I am no longer closer to it. But we have to work. He cannot charge others.
That is his allegation, saying that this government is trying to move away. That
Cannot be. Cannot be. No. We have moved away from those people who were trying to disturb the legacy, who were trying to put a pin inside.
सर तुम्हीच तांकां हाडलेले ते
आम्ही हाडलेलो तो मनीस बरो म्हणा आमकां खबर नासली ताचो एजेंडा कितें आसलो पळय तो एजेंडा आख्खे गोंयकारांक विचारशी कळटले ते गोंयकार पण म्हणजे कितें पळय ते कितें केला पळय ते लोकूच जाणा आख्खो गोंयचो सांगपाची गरज ना तो तरी आमचो फ्रेंड तो हांव म्हणटा तरी फ्रेंड म्हणून पूण तेणे असले करूंक पारना तो मिसयूज करता सगळे आतां चालू आहा पळय ते तो इनडायरेक्टली धमकी मारता आमकां आय एम गोइंग टू बी वॉच डॉग आणि हे 2 वर्सांत कोण वॉच डॉग हाडले तर तेंच्यांनी कितें केला ते पळोवपाक वॉच डॉग ते लोक एकदा धांवडून घालतले गोंयासून तो म्हणटा आमी आपूण सीएम हुंयचो तर सांगचो म्हणटा तो तेका तोंड आहा सांगपाक ते हॅज ही गॉट अ शेम टू टॉक लायक दीस अबाउट चीफ मिनिस्टर इतलो रिस्पेक्ट दितालो तेका चीफ मिनिस्टर तेका खबर ना how to he thinks that the way he talks, the dadagiri language of his, that people are going to get scared. Nobody is scared of him. काय ना भिवपाची गरज ना हुंयचे गोंयकार सगळे आमी आणि ते तो म्हणटा आपूण टॅग मारता गोवा फॉवर्डानूच येत जाल्या काय ना तुका कळटलें फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक हे खंय वचपाचें आहा जस्ट बिकॉज he has put some allegations on chief minister I am responding to it. That is not called legacy that he is taking forward by going to the place Samarak of our honorable ex-chief minister Manohar Parrikar. They are no longer closer to that. Tenka laws are tenka tinga ospak. Laws ikla renjani.